Citizen video shows a bulldozer destroying crops in central China's Shanxi province. Local sources told RFA that a clash erupted when villagers tried to resist. The sources said a villager surnamed Zhou died in the clash, and several other villagers were injured. According to social media posts by the villagers, local government officials had leased the farmland to a developer without the villagers' permission. Local authorities said in a statement that several government officials were disciplined after the incident. Land grabs are common across China. Government officials seize land for lucrative real estate development projects, and villagers have little or no means to stop it.